friends. I am Sri Devashish Chatterjee, a veteran of central government employee. After putting 37 years of service for the nation, as you can see that I have a little knowledge of tabla, which I have continued in my childhood and left it due to the service exigencies. But after retirement, again I have gathered to learn. As you know, learning has got no end. It is a vast ocean, and music has got no language, no boundary. So thus, in the retired life, I have started learning digitally, online, and I have come across many gurus. But it is an honor for me and a pleasure for me to have a contact with Sri Chandra Sekhar, Haldar, the great guru you can say. His digital class, which I have noticed, can be learned very easily, since he gives the description of the Taal and the variation of various Sekhar in a simple way, so that a blind man also can capture it. Recently, you can say I have learned, and I am still learning digitally from him, and I have come all the way from Delhi. दिल्ली से चलकर आया हूँ ताकि उनको साक्षात, so that I can meet him personally, and it is a great honor and pleasure for me to have a contact with this Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Nice to meet you. Hello friends. Today I will teach you a most beautiful Tabla Laggi. It is also used in Keherwa Taal. धाते घेने तेटे तेटे, मिडिल फिंगर ते, धाते घेने, 2 finger style, धाते घेने तेटे तेटे, reverse तेटे, तेटे तेटे, once more, धाते घेने तेटे तेटे, ताते केने धेटे धेटे, धाते घेने तेटे paltas. Then you will reverse this ball. Theta 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 theta. So friends, if you like these kinds of laggi, kindly put your like, comments and subscribe my channel. বন্ধুরা যদি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটি লাইক দেবেন, আপনাদের মতামত জানাবেন এবং আমাদের পরিবারের যদি এখনো সদস্য না হয়ে থাকেন এখনই সদস্য হয়ে যান। সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি প্রেস করে দিন তাহলে, এবং সেই সাথে আপনি পাশে যে বেল আইকনটি থাকে সেটিও প্রেস করে দেবেন, তাহলে আপনার কাছে রেগুলার ভিডিও পৌঁছে যাবে। আজ এই পর্যন্ত, আগামীকাল আবার দেখা হবে সন্ধ্যে 6টা থেকে 7টার মধ্যে। বাই।